In this video, I'm going to show you how you get blinds cut to a custom length that you need to whenever it's not an option in the store. So this is an example of cordless faux wooden blinds. They're very common nowadays and they're not that expensive. However, they only come in certain sizes. In my specific situation, my window is 28 inches wide. So I'm going to go ahead and get this set. This is 29 by 48. It does say actual width is 28.5, so it's half an inch too large. And in fact, even if it was 28 inches, it would just barely fit in. So you actually need to cut off half an inch on either side. So in reality, I need something that says actual width 27 inches, but that's not an option here. So what I did is you pick the size that's closest to what you need, and then you can work with an associate at the store, and they will actually do a custom cut on this machine where they'll measure the length that you need. They'll load it up and then cut it on both sides so that the blinds are the size you need, and then they put it back in the box, and then you actually just buy it, and these are the custom cut ones. So I got 4 sets that are cut to what I need. The great thing is the store doesn't charge you anything to do it. I'm at Home Depot right now, but a lot of other hardware stores will do this as well. So it doesn't cost anything to get it done, and it prevents you from having to go to a store and get custom made when they can just do the free custom cut. Hope that was helpful for you. Thank you for watching.